was the last one to know, was the last one to show. I was the last one you thought you'd see dead. I saw the surprise, the fear in his eyes when I took his glass of champagne. I'll toast to you, said honey, we may be through, but you'll never hear me complain. I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the fear chases my blues away. I guess I'll be okay. I ain't big on social grace, gonna slip on down to the where to the low places. Well, I guess I was wrong, just don't belong, but hey, we've all been there before. Things alright, I say goodnight and I'll show myself to the door. I didn't mean cause a big scene, just give us an hour and then I'll be as high as that ivory tower, sure living here. 'Cause I got friends in all places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. I guess I'll be okay. I ain't big on social grace, gonna slip on down to the so I got friends in low places. I got friends in low places. Almost heaven, West Virginia, the Ridge Mountain. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, rolling with the breeze. All my memories gather round her, minus ladies, strangers who walk, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, distant taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Take me home, country roads, to the place, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country roads. Thank you so much for the tune. Trailers for sale or wreck, roads that 50 cents, no phone, no pool, no pet. I ain't got no cigarette, I've got 2 hours of pushing through. I ain't pretending to lose my man of means by no means. Third boxcar midnight. midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Oh Lord, I'm suiting shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Sure not to big around. I'm enemies by no means. King of the road, I know every engineer on every train. All the children and all their names. I know every hangout in every town. And every life that ain't like what knows around. Triggers on Sable Red, rules to live, we said. No phone, no pool, no pen. I ain't got no cigarette. I've been 2 hours of pushing broom by the 8 to 10 4-bedroom. I'm enemies by no means. Thank you, folks. We'll see you next time.